Hey everyone, welcome back. In this one, I'm going to be doing some code review on this project that I just built, the putting simulator project. So I'm just going to go through file by file and make some code comments, maybe change some things up, make things a little nicer, a self-code review before. Well, I guess I already have published this to the world, but self-code review before anybody else even gets their eyes on it. So let's start with our edit class, editor. So let's see what I could do to make this better. Here we should do a const screen size. And this really should be, this maybe should even be a shared value between every project. So maybe it should go into like the whole. Yeah, let's do, well, I'll think about that. Okay, B, move the ball, C, move the ball. W, so there's no like, so this is like a code comment I would put in a code review. Probably I'd be nicer about it, but I'm pretty blunt when it comes to these kind of things, so it probably wouldn't, honestly, probably wouldn't be all that nice. Um, what do I want to do? I think what I want to do is I want to draw something at wall start. So circle, circle. First thing I want to do, I want to put it behind, like below everything, so things can be drawn on top of it. So to do that, I need to draw a rectangle, right? This is going to be the X. Let's do offset. Let's make it small, like 5. Right, I could do, well then it'd be 10 long, so let's do 2.5. Because I don't want it to be that long. So draw a rectangle. At the X, we're going to be doing wall start dot X. Let's do left right here. So minus what do I name this? I just named it indicator offset. And then the Y, I'll do wall start dot Y. Right? Like back it up, and then dimension X, dimension Y. So the length is going to be indicator offset times 2. Times 2 is fine. What's faster, plus itself or times 2? That's a good question. It might be the same speed. It's times 2 faster than self addition. Try bit shifting. It's probably the fastest method. It doesn't matter. This is not. This piece of code is not that critical. uh, so that's how long it is. And the height, we'll just do 1. And we'll make it black. Let's make it gray. Dot x, and then this is going to be wall start dot y minus indicator offset. It's going to be 1 indicator offset times 2 gray. So let's see what that looks like. Expected F32, of course. How you do? 0.0. It's insane to me how it can't. I guess it's a safety thing, but it's still crazy to me. So I put W here. Oh, that's so small. That's so tiny. I can hardly see that. Can you guys see that? I mean, it's there. And then if I do like E, boom, 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 right, like it tells me it. But it's so small. Okay, so instead of 1.0, here, let's do a 2.0, make it a little bit bigger. And let's see what we get there. I think the 1.0 was probably fine. But the indicator offset should be increased. Let's make that 5. Double it in every sense, right? That looks kind of silly. Did I do that right? What's going on here? No, these both need to be 2. Is it late at night or something? Looks pretty good to me. I like that. Okay, good job. Let's get rid of this comment because we know where it's drawn. This is a mess. This is a complete mess. So the Rust way to do this is maybe like a match. What would that even look like? There, we've got a match, and then we have true. False. Let's see, am I still on the right track here? Whoa, what is happening? Still on the right track. So I put that in there. I put that in here. Like, really? Yeah, matches. That's not what match is used for. Match is pattern matching, not. You shouldn't be using match for true false. Let's put a good comment on here. Anchor is left of the current pause, and here anchor is above the current pause. That's a good comment that explains that. This can be moved out to its own method. I'd have to pass in like just whole, I guess. So it's not too bad. I like the name Anchor. Anchor works. Now where's my readme? Hold on. Here's my readme. Ta-da. Place wall anchor at mouse pointer. Create a wall. Between anchor and mouse pointer. Oh. Cool. Auto formatted that, which is very nice. It looks very good. Okay. Can we draw the anchor? What else would I do with this? This key pressed. No. I like that there, just being like that. Okay. Unless I wanted to make this a part of whole itself. I almost feel like it should be. I think it should. and I'm going to make it as such. So in whole, we will need save to file. File name, that's just the string. It's not going to return anything, because we're not going to fail. If it does fail, pretend that it doesn't. That always helps us, right? These question marks, they're just like, yeah, if it's going to fail, just let it, you know? Okay, have our file name there. We do need it. And self. So this is self. Self. Probably still need the and there. To owned as bytes in self. Right, W to string. Let's check that. What's going on here? Have to add the error return type. So we actually have to handle the error. We don't have a choice. But I guess this question mark is just like, it's expected. And now, we actually have to return it. Standard.o line writer. Standard.io, right. There we go. So we've got this running. And then we need, in our main, you gotta do whole. Save the file. What did I name it? I named it out.whole. What's going on here? Because I don't care what it does. Now I can remove the imports from here. We're good to go. Let's rerun it and make sure that our saving still works. All right, place my anchor. Hit an S. Out.whole. Still works. Cool. Let's delete that, move that to trash because I don't want that. Get rid of it. Okay, so edit looks fine. There's not a whole lot that I would change in edit. Okay. Let's move on to, let's do whole last. I feel like whole's gonna have a lot going on. So source main here. It's called play. There's like nothing brought in here, which is awesome. Here's this again. I'm going to make that. Say new file, const.rs. Alright, lib, pubmod, lib, const. I don't like name or anything. So here we go. Const screen size 32 is equal to 600.0. So now in main, I need to do, let's get rid of this. Cannot use const. I don't know what I was thinking. Rename. Constants. Not found in scope, not found in scope. Private. Is it only to be pub? Okay, cool. Indicator offset that can stay. Ball radius and cup radius. So this is useless. Ball radius should be there. Cup radius should be there. I don't know why would we ever want that? So right, these can also be moved to constants. And then watch everything blow up and then fix it. That's in whole. Just bring in the whole thing. Oh shoot, I did have a reason for unset radius. Okay. Ah. Okay. Private? No, I definitely made it public. This is in source main. In edit source main. Where do I use? Ah, that's where I use it. It's star. Use whole ball reading coverage. I don't actually want to do that anymore. Okay, so we are built right now with these. This doesn't use it, and walls also should not. There. Does not. Okay. So, looking at hole, ball, ball. It's weird that cup is also a ball, but it kind of makes sense. Consumes the iterator, returns an optional string. I mean, this is fine. It's a little ugly, but it does exactly what it says. No issues there. Some tests. Cool. Let's check out ball. If I get rid of the pub here, it's not used at all. If I just get rid of this, like where else is that used? All right, I just inline this. Like, what do I need that for? I didn't need it. Okay, it's gone. These look good. This should just be able to be that. This doesn't need to be mutable. That definitely needs to be mutable. Yep. Yep. Code comment here. This will collide early in most cases and still allows for ball to phase through walls. Now, do I care about this? Not enough to fix it. Wall type slanted. Let's just get rid of that. Let's completely get rid of wall type slanted. These are unused. Unused. Remove commented code. Okay. Let's go to walls and let's go to wall and remove slanted. I don't think I want those traits. Slanted, get rid of it. Get wall type. I don't care about slanted walls. Yet again, I don't. Get rid of it. Default to horizontal walls. Okay. Okay, so that wall type is gone. These are just creating things. Half wall thickness plus half wall thickness. This should just be wall thickness. I probably didn't have that at a certain point. Vertical, vertical, horizontal, horizontal, top left, bottom right. What am I using AB for? Using AB. I don't think I use AB for anything, do I? If I get rid of them here, and get rid of them here, and close the limiter. So where is that? Okay. Fair enough. Distance to wall. Yeah, so like this finds the perpendicular distance to the wall. Here it's just like if it's not even close. Like if it doesn't make sense for it to hit the wall horizontally, or it doesn't make sense for it to hit it vertically because it's just not in those bounds, just ignore the wall. Just mark it as it's as far away as possible, which makes sense. I think that's a good good way to do it. This is a very interesting formula. That's all I really have to say. It's just very interesting. Okay, I think wall. Well, I think wall is looking good, or at least better. All right, clean it up a little bit. Got rid of some stuff. Let's go into ball. Like wall doesn't have any constants, I don't think. It has the constant that it needs. Let's go to ball. Just divide by 2. Okay, that's fine. It's looking fine. Let's go into our main play. Here we go. So we need use, how did I use it in the other one? Use whole constants. Because we need to do, there should be constants, that screen size. And constant screen size. For sure. This looks good. Green. Enter. This is a debug. So remove the debug line. Don't need that. I'm not debugging anymore. It's just actually working. Well, it's working as far as I've needed to see. This is a good debug line. I'll keep that in. That's just fun. Play looks pretty good. There's really not much to it. Okay. Okay. Let's go into sim. Here we go. So, screen size, get rid of screen size. Right, don't need screen size. Whole constants. Screen size, here it is. Screen size, screen size. Screen size, screen size. It's used a lot in here. Yeah, that's silly. That was a silly way to do things. Okay. All right, let's check out what's going on. Let's read this line by line. For I and num threads, which is a constant, I need to make a stop or a start y. Okay. Yeah, so it's I to I plus 1. Copy walls over. I agree. This is a pretty small thing we got to worry about. Okay. So this is a little interesting. Let's rename this to thread. Because there are a lot of i's in this variable. See, there's another I here, but then within here, there's an I. Rows, puts, number puts. This is crazy math. That's all I gotta say to it. That's all I gotta say about it. Well, y is less than stop y. Make a new ball and hit the ball at x and y. Loop, if it's not moving, break. That's crazy. It should be, well, ball is moving. Right? Well, it is moving. Move and collide. And if it's able to fall in, it's within the radius, just fall in. Okay, kind of bad code here. There should be a better way to handle this. Right, so I'm thinking of a base case, which right here, I think I can do, should do ball.pos dot equals whole dot cup.pos, right? And then break. Like if it fell in the hole, just set it to the same. And then, I don't need this if statement here. Then I do our steps. What is I used for? I is used to set distances. Okay. And return distances. All threads have been started. I go through. Screen size. Right. Print equals true. Get this print out of our thing. Could why did I do that so weird? Pre-compute colors to save cycles on viewing. That's still true. And that's still something that, you know, I will accept PRs. I'll say I'm accepting PRs for that. Get rid of that. What is this 1.0? Macro quad color new. I think this is the alpha value. Let me check. A alpha. See, this compiles. First try, baby. Okay. So where are we? Let's go into sim, because it did make some changes. We should test them. What have I been compiling? Where am I? Compiling edit runs. Let's go to whole. That'll run CD play. Oh, okay, so we actually do use the ball.stop. So where was this? Yeah, let's pull this back. Let me see that again. What is it complaining about? This is complaining about... It's complaining about play. Main of play. What is this even talking? Radius value. Is moving. Hold on. This needs to be and self. And self. There we go. There we go. Okay, so play is good to go. That's not that surprising. Okay. So in sim, have while ball is moving. All right, get rid of the parentheses. That's what it asked. Cannot move out of index. I actually do need to, okay, rust, derive, copy. So I just need wall, right? I don't need debug. I just need copy and clone. Do we need copy clone? Okay, copy and clone. Okay. So now it's compiling. Let's check it out. Finish data points 3600. That looks correct. And let's check it out at like a 5. That looks good. Let's do the same with our sus hole. Yep, looks crazy. Always fun. These are the lines where it just phases right through the wall. I'm sure there's other ones too, but these ones are very noticeable. Okay. Noting on that, let's say accepting PRs or fixing phasing through the wall. There's no test here. Yeah. That's pretty good. Okay. Add that, git commit, code review, commit that. Look at that. It's minus 40 lines. That's pretty good. So I'm going to push that up. It should just go straight through. Yep, bypass the rule because I am a code admin. And it's up there. So yeah, I think that's all that I have for today. Thank you for joining me in this code review of my own code. There's probably other things that could be better. I'm sure. I mean, definitely. Feel free to let me know if you see something. Make a comment, make a pull request, and feel free to fix it. I'll be checking out the GitHub, and if I feel like things need to change, and you make good changes, I'll merge them in, and you can say that you work on an open source software, which is always fun, right? All right. Well, until next time. See you.